I had a fascination with metal, how you could take something so solid and turn it into whatever you wanted. Metal, fire, and creativity all in one.
I know the competition's going to be fierce. Everyone's going to be extremely good at what they're doing.
It's exciting and it's fun, and if they didn't know how to weld, they wouldn't be at the final round. I want to raise the bar.
I'm here. I don't know. I must be decent, I guess.
I'm not worried about winning. I'm just here to have fun and experience this.
I'm competitive, really competitive. I like winning. I hope I win.
I've performed over 700 welder qualification tests in the last 3 years. I see people have nerve issues every day. I think the nerves is what they're going to struggle with, especially with all these eyes on them.
Get you a little worried, so just once we get in there, just whatever they give us, and try our best and do our best.
I think that's challenging for the competitors. Going to be walking in blind, not knowing what they're up against, and then having to figure that out right there on the spot under a time crunch.
It's like taking a trip across the country and picking a road that you don't know where it's going to. You have no idea what the outcome's going to be. I'm nervous.
If you're nervous, you're not ready. I was trained for this, and so I'm just gonna take a couple of deep breaths. I'm gonna make it work.